Welcome guys, Green Bars back again with another recipe video. Today it's called Mike's Comedy Talk Food Fetish and Relationship Grilling episode 3. So I'll jump into this episode and see what's going on. I don't know, I think episode 1 was the best. Episode 2 was good, but
my name is Mike's Comedy.
my dude was
right
just
I'm looking
too
for
much of a
nice,
comedian
sweet
dude.
One. If she's dead, I'm out the door. No, I'm not worried, you know. I think she should be worried, to be honest, because I've got a lot of energy today and I'm very excited. Play the cards right. That's all I'm asking for. And you don't have to be too sexy because I don't want your DMs flooding. I just want some nice questions.
Yeah,
as a first
right.
date, yeah?
You're gonna get surprised, buddy.
Family, yeah, are we?
You need to see her.
Yeah, I need to see her immediately.
Ready, man. I'm ready.
Well, go on, madam. You right, yeah?
Oh, go on.
You good, yeah?
What's your name?
Michael.
Michael.
Max, yeah, you good?
Man, see like all of these dudes always have the
Mike.
Caribbean twang. I know that most of their parents are probably
She's-
Caribbean, but
I can't even lie, you know. She's a sweet one.
yeah, man, she look good, bro.
You look nice.
Thank you. So I've got
Yeah, she got the natural ear, everything, you know.
Nice, man. So what do you do for a living, madam?
I'm a presenter and I work in PR.
Oh, is it?
Dude, I don't think
I just do like comedy.
honestly, God, I didn't know what she did. Cause I don't think she introduced herself what she did in the first episode or second episode. So now I know that she's in PR
What do you do for fun?
and a promoter.
Go out, go cinema, eat popcorn, go food park, fly around. Oh yeah, eating as well. I love eating.
You love eating.
Yeah, yeah,
What
I
do you like
love
to eat?
Anything, man. I like lamb. Do you like lamb?
Don't mind lamb.
What's your favourite meat?
I like chicken.
Oh, yeah,
Oh my, that average,
Lamb,
bro.
see, lamb,
That
yeah,
average. If I talk about, I like chicken, dude.
Yeah, yeah,
I love fish, bro. Any seafood, but seafood is so freaking expensive. But
Well, you don't like
I love
it,
seafood.
so say nice instead.
Nice, alright.
So what's the next question?
Why? Hold on, slow
No, do you know what it is?
down.
'Cause
Why?
I think there's a football match later.
There's
innit?
no watch on your wrist.
No, no.
Listen, how are you
One
looking
day,
for
one
time
day.
and no
Dude, what the hell with the football games, dude? It seems like this dude would pick up football game over their kid, their mom, their job. Football is life. I don't know, bro. I know that football is life to Europeans or people in Europe, but this is nuts, bro. This is the third time I heard someone mention football in this episode 1, episode 2, I know this. Three different times, bro. So it's not a coincidence.
What the time now?
So what you do, man?
It's not a coincidence that
No, I don't
the
need
football
that.
thing.
Come on,
So
man,
why are
you
you looking at your wrist?
You stack that.
Do you have a good credit score? Because you
Credit
can have
score, yeah.
money
Yeah, it
and
goes
you can have a
up.
bad
No, it
credit
goes up
score.
every month. I look at that. I keep an eye on it.
Yeah?
It emails me, yeah. Obviously, if
So,
my credit score is going down.
so
I'm
England
comfortable.
have
But I'm
credit
getting
score just
plus
like America
17
then.
At the end of the month, so I'm good in it. Do you know what I'm saying? I'm good, man.
She always want to ask people about their credit score.
Do a little tour quick.
What do you think this is?
No, I just want to know what I'm working with. I just like,
What do you mean you know what you're working with?
huh? Like, I just want to know.
Dude,
like,
she's coming off aggressive, bruh.
oh, see,
He's
man,
supposed to
he's
be
a bunda and that,
man up,
but
bruh. Can't make
man's
she
gonna
push
die
you
with
down,
a
dude.
bunda. Do you get it? That's what keeps like. If man's down, because if my girl got a bunda, we can go Miami and look at bundas.
Dude,
But my,
don't let she push you around. You said, give me a twirl, I want to see. She come off like a little bit aggressive, like she's trying to control the situation, but she's probably testing him. I feel like she's actually testing him and see how far she can actually
do you get
push.
it? So that's what makes man feel smooth.
So I'm gonna
You know what
listen
saying? Like, we can
exactly
look at
what
bundas
she's
together,
saying.
But if
and
my
look at
girl
her
got a bunda, then
expressions.
I'm gonna be breaking my neck. Like, my girl got to have a bunda, man. Like, come on, man.
I'm guessing bunda mean ass or body.
Have you got any fetishes?
I like feet, innit?
Do you?
But I don't suck it all night, and I like rubbing it and that.
I
Like
like
watching
massages.
TV and that. Yeah,
Would you
watching
have
TV.
movement massage?
Yeah, if it's painted, it's got to be painted.
Yeah, who doesn't paint their nails? Like,
Some
especially
girls
if you've got
don't.
open toes.
Some girls don't.
Yeah, some don't.
Yeah, do you get it? Like, if it's painted nicely, white and that,
Mine are white.
preferably white. Yeah,
Mine
white.
are white.
Yeah, it's got to be white mainly. Yeah.
Why
It's-
white? Why? What is it? This
I
guys
think
with
it's just
foot
gotta
fetishes
be
like
white, fam.
white toes. Why
It's
is
got to
that?
be white, fam. The man just likes feet in it, humbly.
Wait,
No, man don't
what do you mean
suck
white?
it.
Like
It's
the white
man
toenail
don't-
or white
Just white
foot?
feet, innit? It's smooth, innit? It's like, it's a
I think
big
it's
hand,
the
innit?
white polish
That's what
he's
feet
talking
is, a
about.
big hand, it don't sting. I'll rub that, bro. That's alright, bro. We got where's the lotion at? Then I'll rub it, watch come down with me and that, like get some cream and that. I'm bare tap, tap. I'll massage your back randomly. Like I'll just look at you and be like, do you want to massage it? I like making people feel good. Do you
Really?
get it? Like yes, that's why they can't go home. They don't want to go.
You definitely suck toes.
No, man. No. That's weird. That's weird.
Yo, dude in the background, dude, you're lying, bruh. You definitely suck toes. You look like a toe sucker, bruh. You're lying. Dude, pick up on him right
I
away.
know suck
Dude is
toes.
calling him out right away, bro. Dude, you look like you suck toes, bro.
Sexually harass women quite a lot of the
Oh,
time.
is it? Oh,
Yeah.
that's. Oh, I'm so sorry
So
to
what's
hear
your
that.
thoughts on the consent?
That's got to be, it's got to be 100%.
100%.
Yeah.
Dude, you know what? This is the next double standard. Man sexualize one a lot. But when it comes to women talking about, oh, one man is big dick, big ass, look at his big muscle. Isn't that sexualizing men? But I guess men isn't important. All hail the important woman species. All hail women. That's basically what she's saying. It's nuts, bro. And especially in the first world countries, I see what's going on, bro. I don't live in a first world country, so I see what's going on with these first world countries, bro. The women are acting just like men, like they're literally men, bro. That's why I look at Asian country and I say, yo, Asia, you're doing a very good job. Continue being what you are. Don't let the West change you because your women are gonna become men. Yeah, a lot of manly women are in the West now, bro. That's nuts. And I'm not
No.
gay, bro. I don't want a
Foreplay
man
can't go for
woman. I
like
want a
40,
woman,
45 minutes.
feminine
You get
woman.
it? You know, like, man, their foreplay is quite short, innit? They try and go
Yeah.
straight to the point and that.
So,
You get
so
it?
you let her finish first before you.
She has to finish. That's the
Dude,
thing.
you
Do
have
you
to
know what it is?
please
Yeah,
the
I
girl
always
them
think, like,
first.
what
That's
people
they
think
come
left-
back.
Like, left me.
I want you to,
So it's like, oh my
you
God,
know, be
like,
rating on Dick Advisor.
Yeah, it's like, oh my God, that was so fun. Like, oh my God, I didn't know that was going to happen.
So
Like,
you're doing it for your ego. So you're not doing it to actually please the woman. You're doing it
a bit of
for your
both.
ego.
A bit of both. Because I like to make the place really puddly. Like,
Ooh.
do you get it? It's got to be puddly, man. On the
Soaking.
windows and that. Sleeping in the corner at the end. Do you get it? Like, there's
Yeah,
wet.
no one's sleeping in the wet pants.
Yeah, it's wet. Like, you're
I thought
cuddling
you
like
might,
that. I like my sleep as well. Do you get it? Especially
Dude,
after
here
finish,
she
you
doing?
have to sleep.
I thought you might though. Like he's gonna sleep in the puddle. Dude, you gotta listen what I don't think he's listening what she's saying. He's just talking, but she. I probably she's trying to test him because it's supposed to be a grilling.
All that work.
So she's kind of sneak her little jabs in there.
Fingers?
Huh? Why look at our fingers?
You just said, let me see. Show me your hands then. I'm not going
You're
to.
making me uncomfortable with that. Stir. Yeah, obviously I was looking at it because obviously I should have cut them a bit, innit? I shaved my pits today, you know.
Did you? That's me.
Why are you telling her that?
Did you shave your thing?
Yeah, I'm not going to just let it grow. Well, you can, you know, if you want. Let me do it.
Yeah, I don't like
That's
Would that bother you
gross.
if I just, like, decided not to shave?
Yeah.
That's
Really, why?
gross.
My body, my
Line you
choice.
up. I'll just pull your pubes.
Listen, your body, your choice. There's the door. There's the freaking door. I said it before. That's freaking gross. And it's like a dude, man. Like, which man want a freaking dude? Unless you're gay. But seeing a woman with armpits, hair, man, that's just weird, man. That's not feminine, bruh. You can do that, but just know that
You would
you're
what?
gonna go through the
I'll
door.
pull your pubes out to let you know, like, this is not on, innit?
But
So
then
I'll
that's not,
see
but
your
it's
pubes
my
and I'll
body,
pull
my
it, like, I'll
choice.
pull it, like, I'll be like, yo, this is not cool, like, do you get it?
But he's talking about pulling, dude.
What is a hoe
That's
in your
weird.
eyes?
I'm not gonna pull shit.
Someone has just
I'm just gonna
someone
tell
that's
you.
Very at it, very quick.
I'm not dealing with this, bruh. This is weird.
I said I had many dates.
But what's wrong with women being able to do what they want with their
They
body?
can.
So why would you
But
call
I
her a
ain't gonna
hoe?
wife them. Do you get it? If a girl's body count is higher than 12, she cannot be my girl.
Why?
Do you get it? And
How
12
many
is
people you slept
high.
with?
12 is high.
How many have you slept with?
I don't know.
So you
But
don't know
fam,
because it's a lot.
My body count could be screaming, it could be 500, yeah? I'm still going to find a woman.
Yeah.
There's gonna be a...
And again, this is the next double standard. Men and women are different. You see me? The same bond that a woman can have, a man can have different. That's why a man can have a lot of sex and spread his seed, and a woman can only carry one child. Dude, it's only in modern time where they build contraceptive and all this weird ass shit for women that they can run around now. But back in the days, they couldn't do that shit, bruh. They could only have one kid per year. So all this modern stuff that women talking about, oh, why men can't have enough sex? Wait.
There's gonna be a man that's gonna take a woman that's slept with like.
That's their
100
business,
people.
but I'm not gonna be that guy.
But
That's what
why?
I'm trying to show you.
Why is it such
I'm
an
not gonna-
issue?
Bruv, so what?
Honestly, I'm not bruv.
Women don't really care about the body counts these days, do they?
I'm sick of just the way men have this power to, you know, dictate what is a hoe and what isn't. You know, because energy exchange is real, firstly, and the fact that you
That's
slept
why-
with like 500 odd people.
No, I said
And then if
I
I'd
said
slept
if.
with more than 12, you're saying that's mad.
For me, Do you
Okay,
get it?
okay,
Look,
but if
right
you
now
said
I'm
before-
single, I'm having fun.
Yeah,
with
okay, but
20s
what
and
if I'm
that.
single and I want to have fun?
Then do that.
So
But
why is it an
look,
issue?
if you tell me at the end of the night, like, your body counts 300, I will stay with you. I don't mind that. But you will never be my wife.
Why? But what?
Why are
What
you
is
gonna be
this
my mum?
issue?
How are you going to be
Why?
my mum? Your
But
body
what
counts
is this issue?
300. How are you going to see
But yours
my
is
mum than that?
500.
I said, if.
This double standard that men seem to have about women only being able to sleep with like one man in their...
Dude, you know what I'm wondering? I've seen with her. Man are not saying that women are alone to sleep with one man. They're just saying don't stretch out the thing, right? But ever since episode 1, she have a huge problem with the body code, with the whole sleeping situation. Listen, it's called double standards. Women got double standards. Men got double standards. It's fair. It's just that you guys like to have all the leverage. That's all. So keep crying.
life, but they can sleep with a few hundred.
Dude, I don't care if I'm gonna have a 10,000 body count, but guess what? Guess what? Guess what?
I'll tell you.
40,
I'm going to
68.
clap on that
said
wife.
20. If you had your body count was 20, oh, we have to fly. I'll marry you, then we have to fly out here. We have
Why?
to get because
You don't know them.
No one's gonna go what?
You care too much about what other men think, so you won't be with a woman that could be a really
No,
good
because I'll
wife.
imagine
So you're
her
going to
giving
miss out
that
on a good
sloppy.
woman.
No, 'cause
No.
that's-
Yeah, give that sloppy.
How's it sloppy? You said you like to puddling and really
Yeah,
wet.
sloppy,
So
yeah,
what are you on
puddling,
about?
messy.
So now what? You're moaning that it's sloppy? I don't
No,
understand.
she's gonna be giving that sloppy to someone else. Do you get it? Like
Yeah, so it's
that
your
makes
ego.
me sad. Yeah, it
It's
makes
your
me sad.
ego.
Yeah, my ego. Yeah, what happens now? Next. What?
Listen, I feel like a real man wouldn't
Oh,
be threatened by that. And
no.
walk into
A real man have
with,
sense
a
to
woman
know
who's
that
slept with
I won't have
multiple
to put a lot of man
Okay, how
is
would you
not gonna
feel
be good
if
to pair bond.
We've gone to a
Dude,
party together and we're going.
why you think the Kardashians them can't really stay with a man? Because they've been slept with so many, but their body, they cannot bond with people so easily. It's a reality. It's biology. But these people don't believe in biology, but they just make up their own stuff. Oh, the sky is red. No, sky is blue. Oh no, I say it's red. Okay. Oh my God, these people are funny as hell, bro.
And I slept with 5 girls there. What happens then?
No, to be fair, I'm not gonna lie, I would be mad, but at the same time, it gets to a point where, okay, you're with me now. There's no judgment there. Like your past is your past.
Yeah.
Can you like get up now, please?
What?
No, because I need to
This
see.
isn't a meat market where I stand up and you can be like, I want that one and that one, or like that, but maybe
Well,
not
there's
that.
no other woman here. Do you get it? So, well, I don't know why she's not turning for me. Like, maybe she's just trying to. Like,
Yo, I'm
you know,
surprised this
look
guy
after her
actually
name and that.
came
She
back
should've
and
turned
asked the
for
same
me.
question.
I've been
That
going
means
through
he's
the stage
thinking
of-
about it.
What?
Like, I'll see a woman from far, yeah, and then when she's walking by, and her legs got big legs and that, I'm thinking she's gonna have a big back. Do you get it? So when we walk past each other, I look back. It's not a back. Do you get it? It's just big legs. Do you get it? That makes me
I
sad
don't get it.
sometimes.
So what's wrong with that?
No, because I want a big back. I want to make sure he's got a big back like that. Like, I feel like if the girl's got a nice personality, nice face, and a big back, it's happy days done. With a good job as well. Done. That's it. That's all I'm asking for. I'm not asking for much. And obviously she has to know how to cook as well.
That's a lot you ask for.
Is that a lot?
That's not a 5 thing. That's literally 5 thing, bruh.
What's like the worst thing you've done
When,
in your life?
hey, dude,
Worst thing I've done.
Yeah.
I've watched Fresh and Fit and some other podcast where I see female asks what they need in a man. Dude, they have a long ass list, bruh. Like 13, 20 stuff. This guy asked for 5. What the hell?
Oh, no.
That's
Have you ever,
nuts.
like lied or cheated?
No, I've been cheated on.
Have you?
Yeah.
How was that for you?
I was affected. That's why I've been single for 8 years.
Oh, well,
I'm actually
yeah, I've been
enjoying
single
it
for long, bruh.
because everything I've got is
And
like
I said
my
before, the
family's
reason why I know some of these situations because I've been in a lot of situations in which
Your girlfriend?
Yeah, 100%.
I've, you know, so that's why I can't really trust these broads, man. They're crazy.
My brother's got to like you, my mom's got to like you, my dad's got to like you. You get it? It's not just about me. Because if I marry her now and something goes wrong, then they say, did I not tell you? Do you get it? And I don't
Yeah,
want that to
smart.
happen. I don't want that to happen. Do you know what I'm saying? So.
Well, that was a good one. Well, Ethan said pretty cool, but sometimes he's,
Yeah.
Oh my
I've
God.
man,
done
this
this
guy
shit,
was
though.
on the back,
Oh,
bro. This
yeah,
guy
I've
say,
done
I want to
this
see
shit,
the
you know.
back.
How many times?
Once, I can't have a like eating out body count. You get it?
What?
Eating out body count, bro. That's mad. Imagine your eating out count is like 30.
I thought you said you were big on foreplay.
Yeah, but the foreplay doesn't have to be head. No, I can't be having no high eating out count. No. Right, that's dead. Like, you can't be eating and you get me? Like, come on, man's not trying to get spots on my tongue and that. You get me? Like, man's not trying to get like gum
Oh my
disease and
God,
that.
this nigga's
If it's
funny.
a threesome, 100%, man's doing that. Do you get it?
Why would it be 100% because of threesome?
Because it's a threesome. Do you get it? Like, man's not just gonna give out wood and that. Do you get it? Like, it's gotta be patterned and that. If she's eating out, you have to join in and that. Do you get it? Like, and then maybe go, oh my God, like she wasn't prepared that I was gonna. Do you get it?
Yeah. But what if like the woman's better going down on your woman than you are?
I don't think I'm shit at that.
Can you say it with your chest, please?
I listen to moans, innit? You listen out for moans, like the change. Do you know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Oh my God, this dude, it's funny as hell.
No.
I don't know what she's gonna think about him though,
why?
honest to God.
My wife, she can have my passwords.
Yeah.
Not my girlfriend.
Why though?
Cause no phone postcodes. Probably when I'm older and that it might make sense. But right now I'm really enjoying the life right now, and no one's getting my password, only me.
People always think that wanting a phone passcode is like to go through your phone and dictate. Like it's just something as simple as just having it because the trust there doesn't necessarily mean like I want it to snoop.
People are different, innit? Women are different.
Would you snoop on my phone?
If I feel like I need to, yeah. But I wouldn't want to. I don't want your password. It will make me sad. Even if it's not meant to piss me off, it's still gonna piss me off. Do you get it? So I don't want your password. Once I wife a girl, I'm out. Like because once I wife a girl, that's it. I'm not talking to no one. I'll change my number, everything. Like, do you get it? I don't.
Very drastic.
Yeah, no, I'm not playing. Because I know what I'm like and I know what women do. I already know women I can sleep with when I'm married. How about
What?
that? You think?
Oh, dude, see what he's saying? He's not lying, bro. He said he know women. That means he's probably sleep with women that are married, women that have boyfriends, women that are pregnant. Dude, this world is nuts, bro. What I'm saying, I've been through a situation like that before, a lot. So I know, bro. This dude, it's only the dude that I haven't have experienced that is gonna get caught by this situation. But when you experience certain things, bro, you see how the world really is. I think they call it red pill when you can see what the nature of stuff are, and then you're like beating something, and you're like, wait, doesn't this girl got a man? And you're like, they're beating, and you're like, oh shit, this is fucked up. But you don't give a fuck about that. You're just doing your thing, but it kind of mess you up in a way to think that, oh man, this could happen to me in the future. But it's what it is, man.
These
It's
girls
nuts.
care who your girlfriend is. They don't care if I have a girlfriend. They just need the puddles. They remember the puddles, innit?
Would you sleep with a woman that was married?
Yeah,
Why
I
is it
would.
taking you so long to answer
I
that?
would.
Really? He was doing so well. Honestly, I really liked the guy until he mentioned.
Wow,
that he was
she
happy
actually
with a woman
like his
that was
well.
already taken.
He was doing
And
good
things
still.
like
I'm not
that
gonna
don't
lie.
sit with me. I feel like it's
I
very
think he did
immoral,
better than number
it's not
2.
nice, and I believe in karmic energy.
Yeah, I would.
Why? That's just morally not right. That's actually wrong.
I've slept with a girl more than her own boyfriend before.
That's disgusting. Why would
No,
you do that?
that's what I'm saying, bruh. Dude, that's why this guy is so guarded, because you hear what he said? He said he slept with a girl more than her own boyfriend. That's freaking crazy, man. And these are the situations that I was talking about earlier that I've been through too. So that's why I don't trust these situations, dude.
Because I'm trying to show her that I'm more consistent. I don't even have to be your
Yeah, but
girlfriend.
you
I
don't want to
have
make
be a girlfriend to
you
be
don't want to
consistent,
make
you
her
know?
your wife, but you want to sleep with her, tear up her relationship.
It's not tearing.
You have no business doing that.
She can say I love you too to a man. That's none of my
No,
business.
yeah, but
I
you
could
have
be
no
laying
business
down in bed. That's none of
No.
my business.
Yeah, but you're making it your business. The
Oh
moment
my
you're just
God.
laying down in bed with a
No,
woman.
she
that's
can
with
say I
someone.
love you too. That's fine. I will get back to round 2. You can say I love you too.
I like how
they
they having banter. I like how they having the intense conversation. This seem more realistic than the other two.
Yeah, but
Because
if you're single
they're
doesn't
having the
mean you-
tension. I
if
can
you're having other
literally,
people's, like relationship, well,
Then
tell
why-
them.
dude, I can literally feel the tension in this episode. Look at her. Look at her. Look shine her head like she's actually sweating. This is more realistic, man. This
You've
feel
got-
more
like,
realistic.
morally, it's on you to say you have a man, or don't talk to me unless you're single.
No.
Before you got into a relationship and you're still willing to see
Who
me,
does
and
she
it
think
happens,
she
it
is?
happens.
That's
And
not gonna
if it
happen.
I'll keep my mouth shut.
That's the worst thing you've done, actually. Joe, when I asked you what's the worst thing you've done, that's actually it. Sleep with someone that's not
But
available.
I'm single. That's not
yeah, but you're
affecting
single.
me though, and I'm still helping the relationship. I'm not home wrecking it. I didn't call your man. I'm not DMing your man saying
What, by
your girl's
pausing
here.
it, like putting the TV on mute so they can hear? That's
No, so they can
That's-
speak
that's-
freely. She can lie. She can do all the lies under the sun.
No.
And that's why I'm probably still single, do you get it? Because I've seen so many mad things like that. Do you know
But you've
what I'm saying?
entertained
That's what I'm
that.
saying.
That's not fair. On a man
That's
that
why
thinks
he's
his
single
woman
so
loves him,
long.
You're encouraging her to cheat.
How can you not know what your girl
But you're
is?
going there,
What's
so
going
then
on?
you
How can you not know
how
what
can
your
you
girl
not
is? Like,
expect
what the
that
hell?
to be
What's
back
going
at you?
on?
But what I'm saying is, so karma comes back around. So if you are happily sleeping
I'll
with
be
someone
affected.
that's with
Yeah, yeah, I'll
someone,
be affected.
then
I'll
when
be
that happens to you, when you're then the partner that has someone
Yeah,
else
yeah,
coming
I'll
in,
be
yeah. So
affected.
this is what I'm saying.
Wait till-
Energy,
yeah.
karma comes
Yeah.
back around,
Do you think
and
so?
it will come back and bite you. Yes,
Do you
it
think
will.
so?
Yes, it really will.
Dude, this was intense. I like it though. I like how they actually having the
No.
banter.
I would do
Not
toasting
funny
like in the
banter.
AM.
Serious
Yeah.
banter.
So you don't need to get up. I'll do all the hot drinks and that, the tea and that. Do you cook?
Yeah.
Do you eat meat?
Eat more fish.
Like, I'm addicted to meat. Like,
Well, you better learn to cook then. This is what I mean. It's just so crazy that you expect a woman.
no, look.
So what? How do you actually live now? If you don't cook, how do you live?
Just visit mum, like, people got me,
So
innit?
you're one of them
I'm
that
very
literally
well taken.
lives by themselves but has no responsibility. That
No,
will still
no.
go to mum's house. Get your wait. Who does your washing?
Let
Do
me
you
let
do
you shine.
washing?
Let me let you shine for a bit. Go on.
No, are you that type of guy that will go
No,
around,
no,
go
I wash
to
my
mum's?
clothes. My clothes are hanged right now. Like,
Wow.
I wash my clothes. Like, I got dads. That's not hard. Like,
And this is the thing. It's always the ones that can't cook. Always have so much to say about women being in the kitchen.
that's not an issue. I'm very clean. I will do the clean. The girl don't even need to clean.
Listen, I cannot say that because I know to do all of those stuff, and I am a certified chef. So the cooking, cleaning, washing, I know to do all of that stuff. So yeah, that's not me, blood.
Clean.
That's
'Cause
all right. That's a compromise,
I
actually.
get angry when I see mess and that. Even when I see weave like this in the bathroom and that. Like, I don't want to see none of that on the floor. I don't
I
like
thought you
dirt.
said you don't have women around a lot.
Yeah, because women come to visit me. That doesn't necessarily. Do you get it?
Woo!
What's booty play?
Playing with my bum. We play
What,
with my
rub
ass.
it?
Yeah, massage it.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll rub it, bum. That's smooth, man. Just watch, like, come down with me and, like, just rub the bum and that. Yeah. I love cuddles, though. Do you like cuddles or not?
Yeah.
Yeah, cuddles. Bang. I can cuddle. Cuddling could make me broke.
Really?
Yeah.
You love cuddle?
Bruv, I can stay in bed for, like, 5 days cuddling, bruv.
Really?
Yeah. Like, cuddling will make me bankrupt.
I'll cuddle you then.
Is it?
Yeah.
No, I love cuddles. Like, cuddles is dangerous, man.
Would you do more than rub my bum?
No, it's just rubbing the bum only.
Really?
Yeah, I don't do anal and that, no. Like, there's a hole
No,
already.
it's the
There's a mouth. We don't want a third hole.
Oh my god, this dude is
That's
actually
what
cool
you
though. I like his style because he seems more realistic, as I said
Yeah.
before. Like he's not really, he's
Oh,
not
my girl's gotta be
pretending.
buff, though.
So it's looks then.
No,
How are you
personality.
saying person looks up, but she's got to be buff?
Bruv, she's gotta be buff. If the person I don't bang, I can't sit with. You can't even be my friend.
What?
Even friends is like a relationship to me. When someone's around me, they've got to play their cards right, male and female. Personality is very, like, it means a lot to me. If someone, I can have a conversation with someone and I don't like the conversation, I'll drop a girl back home. I've taken a girl out, yeah, picked her up from my house. We drove, got a couple of traffic lights, and we circled back round to her house. We were meant to go out, yeah? She said, why am I back at my house? Because I don't like the conversation.
What was the conversation?
It was just dead. It was just, like, nothing was happening. I don't want this. I don't, do you get? I don't need to do this. My girl's gonna be pretty. That's end of. The personality has to bang as well. Personality first, but she has to be pretty as well. I'm not gonna go out with some fucking.
But what if I had like the best vibe, like made you laugh, everything,
Pretty.
and I was ugly?
I'll just call you sis. All day. You could be a very good friend. You can help with the wedding plan and that. Yeah, I'll make you come. Like, I can look at a girl and I know
Dude,
that I'm coming
this
on
guy
her.
said,
Because I know
yo,
I'll
you
cheat-
can
I'll
be
cheat on
sis.
her.
Would
I
you
can
do
look
it?
at someone and I know I'll cheat on
So
them.
you would cheat?
No, I can look at someone and I know, like, I'll make them
Dude,
clap.
this guy is speaking facts, bro. Let's be real. She doesn't like to hear the truth. Men like physical. I don't know why she's fighting this situation. Just like, oh, if he said he was a bum or a loser, not having a job, she wouldn't want to date him. It's the same as a man saying he's like a pretty girl. What's the difference? Double standard. But as I said before, they doesn't like the double standard. It's crazy.
don't-
I always hear a
don't
woman say it, and I'm
I
like,
don't
what?
compliment them. I don't put myself in a position where they have to keep calling my phone and that. I don't gas people up. I don't do that. Yep.
Yeah, I didn't even need to look at the card for that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, you'll fart around me?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a, come on, man.
Why?
What's going on?
What's wrong with that? You're far around me.
Your farts, man, is like, if it stings, where's it going?
You're the one who eats the meat, so yours is definitely going to stink worse.
Bruv, you can't be farting around me, like.
Why?
Huh?
You're fighting around me, I'm fighting around you. I'm not even going to give him time of day on that one. There you go.
No, but that's calm if I fart around you, though. And I fart bears, you know. I've had a couple here already.
No, you haven't.
I have. Do you want to let one go?
Don't be disgusting.
No, I wouldn't shit myself still. Well, you will fart in front of me.
Oh my
If
God.
you're doing the thing.
You're fully with fart.
So you wouldn't go in the bathroom or nothing?
Why would I?
If it's first date, I hold it in, though.
Yeah, get those belly cramps.
Yeah, but once we've had sex and that, because we've had sex, I'm farting now. Do you get it? And they're really loud. They don't smell, though.
She's laughing. Dude, she's laughing, bro. She's laughing.
What would you do if my ex was after you?
Your ex?
Yeah.
I'm out.
Why?
I don't need to do this. I could do this with someone else. Look, I don't need to stay with someone when this is happening to me. If this is happening to me, I don't need to do this. Do you get it?
But why? What if I really wanted to be with you?
No, because then my mum's going to find it very dangerous. My family, my friends, they care about me. Do you get it? So if I told them, my new girl, my ex is well, they'll tell me to lock you off. Like, everyone cares about my welfare, not yours. Do you get it?
Yeah, but do you not care about mine?
No, because your ex is looking for me, so I don't need
So why
to do.
wouldn't you care about me?
No, go look for a new man. Don't look for me. I haven't finished. I've got money to make. I've got a business. I've got like stuff to do. Do you know what I'm saying? So
So do you
I don't
choose
want an
love-
ex looking for me when I'm doing stuff in my life.
So with that, so love or money, if you could choose?
Love, obviously.
Well, no, because I just said if I loved you and my ex was after you, you just said, no, I've got money to make.
I've got a family. I can't like nothing should happen to me.
So it's
Nothing
money.
bad
You
should
still
happen
choose
to me.
money, though.
No. Nothing should happen to me. I said my friends care about my welfare.
This guy is not phrasing it
What would you do
thing
if I didn't
good.
say you
Sometimes
were
he's phrasing it good,
responsible?
sometimes he's not phrasing it good, but he's doing all right. I wonder how much he's gonna get.
What?
Cut out, yeah, I'll cut
What
out.
do you mean you'd cut?
Yeah.
But what if we had a really good
I have
night?
to sleep with you before we get into a relationship anyway. I ain't waiting 6
But
months.
why?
Because I don't need to.
Why? I thought you wanted a wife. For Mr. Nice Guy, on energies and everything like that, he's saying you wouldn't wait 6 months.
Dude,
doesn't even make sense.
why
If
would
I
you
was
wait
there, then you're
6
willing to wait.
months?
I'm still gonna wife a girl.
Are
that's
you
gonna free up.
nuts?
I can still wife a girl that frees up the first.
Dude, listen. The reason why you wouldn't wait 6 months because he's slept with a lot of women. If you have got through all of those situations, why would you wait 6 months? In your mind, you're like, wait, I have club girl when I met in 2 hours or a day or a week. Why would I wait 6 months? So that's the situation with these type of guys. You're not gonna wait 6 months.
Yeah.
That's nuts.
But why
That's
wouldn't
like
you
kid
wait, though? Like,
stuff,
what
bruh.
if I really needed you to wait?
No, I don't like playing chess.
I feel like that's quite insensitive because there's some women that can't have sex so easily because of a traumatic experience.
Yeah, then that's
If
fine.
you've got
Okay,
guys,
okay,
then when
another
you
man- no, another man's
because
gonna
then when you've got
comply.
guys like you that don't want to take the time to get to know a woman and everything like that, that's really selfish. That's really
No, a
triggering.
man. It's not selfish
Yes,
to me.
it is. No, but
I
it
don't
is, but
know
it
her
is.
like
No,
that.
but I'm saying, but then you're not going to get to know her just
I
because she
don't
won't fuck
need
you.
to.
But just because a woman won't sleep with you so easily, you're not going to spend time getting to know her.
No, I will get to know her, but if I feel like this is too chessy or you're playing
It's not,
games,
it's not, but what if
I
it
don't
wasn't?
like.
But what
I
if
like
it-
attention. Do
But
you
that's
get
what I'm
it?
saying. What if it genuinely wasn't? It was genuine.
She's gonna give him a low score on that one.
I don't need to do that. What am I waiting 6
Because
months for?
sometimes it's not about just actually
What
having
is that,
sex.
bro?
It's
Huh?
not always about having sex. It's
I know,
about
but-
waiting and
no,
getting to
but-
know a person.
Okay, if you want me to keep sane in the brain, I need nuts out. Do you get it?
So it depends what you want. If you want like a connection, then you'd wait.
I don't know. Maybe when I'm 35, that might sound normal to me. But right now, that does not sound normal. Look, can you not see the way I'm shaking? Just come on, this sound like this new sex, bro. Look at the way I'm shaking, fidgeting all the time. I need to nut tonight. Do you get it?
You need to not to know.
I'm busy. I've been screaming my lungs out in my videos. I need to nut now. I'm tired. The day's over. I need to nut. Do you get it? What's that?
I think these guys is not really trying to win a date. Because they could pretend, but they probably just do it. They don't give a fuck,
Maybe
bruh.
sometimes bikini, a bit of body.
Look, if you're not showing your face, it's calm. If you're showing your face, it's not calm. You're me. If you're my girlfriend, you're me. Do you get it? And I'm you. There should be no embarrassments. If you drop on the floor, I'm embarrassed. That's me on the floor. Do you get
Yeah,
it?
would you help me out?
Of course I would. And no one should laugh because I'll bang everyone in the face. Do you get it? That's how I see a relationship. Do you get what I'm saying? Like, no one should laugh. She fell on the floor, like, get her up now. Like, do you get it? Like, she's drunk, no one should laugh. That's how I see stuff.
Okay.
I find that so important.
Yeah, that's a great answer, buddy.
Michael, how
That's
do you
a-
think the date's gone for you?
The date's all right, man. You're very intelligent still, man. Yeah, man, it's a smooth one still.
Got some more wine?
Yep, I'm not shy.
To be fair, the
I
date
need-
went all
And he gave her
No,
a
smooth,
big
but I wanna
compliment at
look
the
at it
end.
again
Say,
still,
she's very
I wanna look at
intelligent,
it
man.
again.
It was going well. There's certain things which were big red flags.
Yeah, I handled the grilling well, man. Obviously, like, I don't feel like uncomfortable. I'm not insecure like that.
He did handle me well. I feel he's got the kind of attitude to deal with me.
Yeah.
Calm.
I
He,
don't
he
think
was,
likes me,
he was,
actually.
I don't know.
that's
she
what
like,
I'm saying. I don't feel like this guy was lying. Because he was literally giving her banter, like arguing with her and stuff like that. Not really argue, but pushing his ideal and saying that, listen, this is how it is. He's not, he doesn't seem any fake. I'm not gonna lie. The second guy, see him, he's a comedian, yes, I know, but he see him, I don't know if he was really being himself or that is his real self. I don't know, it was just too gimmicksy. The first guy was kind of cool, but I feel like he was trying to hold back certain things too to please her. But this guy is the one that I think was being is probably 90% of himself. So I really like this guy. This guy is
but she was looking
pretty
in my
cool.
eyes,
I'm not gonna lie.
She was looking in my eyes still.
I really liked his honesty, actually. I feel that's what makes me...
Yeah, because he was telling you can sense the
I
honesty.
just wish she got up, man, so I can get more.
I wonder if he's
guys.
gonna get an 8.
Yeah, I'm going to see him again and make him wait 6 months.
If I can't get her.
Yo, he's gonna get the next date, bro. That's crazy.
It's the same now.
Plus, thing is, he got another woman, bro. She don't really mind that, bro.
So I wanted to give him a high score. I really actually do.
I think I did like a strong 7, innit?
Wow.
7, 8, I would say.
I feel like she's gonna give him an 8.
I think I told her the truth, innit? So. Like,
Yeah, okay,
it's
honest, and she liked the
So I'm
honesty.
going to give him 8 and... yeah, 8.5.
Wow, that's
Yeah.
crazy.
8.5. I'm going to stick with it.
Dude, this nigga got 8. Listen, from he was doing his thing, I knew that he was gonna get an 8. Or something like that, because he was giving it to her. I said, look at her forehead. She was literally sweating. She was sweating, man, and she started to laugh at certain situations. So I'm starting to see the type of person that she likes. She like honesty, but a person who can manage her. Like, don't, bow to her, praise her. She don't want nobody to praise her, bro. She want an alpha. And I remember she said she was an alpha in episode 2. Hey, listen, you're no freaking alpha. If you're a masculine woman, and I doubt you're a masculine woman, because you look feminine as hell, you seem feminine as hell, you know, masculine woman or alpha. But this episode was, I think this is my favorite episode. Favorite, because this dude was pretty cool. I thought it was gonna be like a lame, because you know he was so skinny and whatever, but never judge a book by cover. But he surprised me. I'm not gonna lie. Even though some of his answer was kind of shaky a little bit, but he still said what he's saying, bro. He don't give a freak, bro. He just tell the truth. And you can tell that he just, cause normally when people are telling the truth, they just say what's on the top of their head. Because when she asks the question, he just answer right away. He doesn't have to ask, oh, what did you say? Or pause for any long time. He just